What's up, China Beauties? It's your girl China here, and today we're going to be achieving this cut crease look that I did here. Very beginner friendly, so let's get into the video. And first we're going to be priming with the Juvia's primer. I think it's called Eye Prime or something like that. We're going to be priming our eyes with that. And we're just going to be basically getting our eyes ready to, achieve this bomb look that we have. So I'm using a light base because you really want the eyeshadows to pop in this look, you guys. So it's best if you get a lighter base than your skin complexion, and we're just going to blend that out. Okay, so after that, I'm going in with the Juvia's palette, this mini palette right here. This is one of my first palettes, and I'm going in with these two shades here, and I'm gonna first put the lighter shade, and then I'm going on top with the darker shade, and you really just want to blend that out really well. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, to your girl channel. Okay, so we're just gonna pack that color on all over the lids. And if you follow these steps, I'm pretty sure that it's gonna come out looking bomb, just like how mine did. So just make sure you watch it till the end and follow my steps, and it should be coming out looking bomb, you guys. And I just want to say thank you so much. I'm so excited. I got to 500 subscribers. I'm so excited. I know y'all hear my son in the background. Excuse him and me, but I'm so excited. I had to put that in, y'all. I don't want to be overly excited, but I am excited. Okay? 500. Thank y'all so much. Like, y'all don't even understand. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go in with that dark black kind of shade. It looks like black, but it's not really black. I really didn't say the palette, but everything will be linked in the description below with everything I use. But any color palette with these same colors will go beautiful with this look. You don't have to use the same palette that I have, but if you want to get it, I will have the link in the description. So we're just gonna do like a kind of smoked out kind of look, and then we're gonna cut the crease. I cut the crease a couple times. Like, this is gonna be like my 4th time trying to attempt a cut crease, and I feel like I finally got it down packed, which I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I did to, achieve this look. So now I'm pulling out my P. Louise. I don't know if y'all know about P. Louise. Y'all should go check her out. She's on Instagram and TikTok and everything. So I'm cutting the crease right here right now. Let me explain this properly. I'm trying to map out where I want it. You have to take time with this process. That's why I did not speed this up. So you fill it in, and I'm just basically trying to overline where where I want the cut crease to be, like where I'm trying to map it out. And then after that, I'm just sharpening it up. So the trick with this base or anything you want to put on it, you just want to let it dry for a little bit. I used to always let the product that I'm putting on, like the base or the concealer or whatever I'm putting on my eye, I used to let it be a little too wet, and it needed to be like dried down so it can actually like be stiff a little bit so it won't move. So now I'm seeing that the cut crease is too low because I want it to show. You don't want it to be right there where your eyelid. You want to take it up a notch so it won't be right there. So as you can see, I'm still trying to cut it right now, and it's not perfect, but we're gonna blend that all out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're just gonna clean that up, and I feel like that's good. You know, that's not too high, not too low. That's perfect. I could have went higher because I have more eye space to go higher, but yeah, we're gonna maybe try that next time or whatever. But I'm just cleaning the edges, making sure it's really perfect and sharp. And I'm using a flat, stiff brush. I don't know if you could tell. I don't know if I showed it, but I'm using like a flat concealer, stiff brush. So, and then I let it dry. You have to let it dry and blend it out. So after I let it dry, as you can see it's dry, I'm going to put some sparkly, which is like this glitter from my Morphine palette. I think that's called Salty or something like that. All the links will be in the description with the colors I used. And I'm just basically packing that on. As you can see, it's not perfect like the cut crease, but with trial and error, it's gonna get there, trust me. I'm gonna perfect this cut crease, okay? So it's not perfect. Like, I see a little thing right there where I could have cleaned up a little more, but it's okay, you know? So I just packed that basically on top of there. And then I added my rhinestones and pearls off camera because I felt like, I don't know, if y'all want to see a video with me putting on the rhinestones and pearls and stuff, let me know, because I will surely make a video with that. It's just like, that is just, whew, I have to, whew, that's a process. That's like 15 minutes itself, by itself. Like, it takes me 15 minutes to just put all the details, but I really love adding like the pearls, the diamonds, and all of the gems on it. Is really pretty, and it gives you look like a different look. So I'm gonna try to do that more often, even if it take more time. I'm gonna sit here for 3-4 hours in front of this mirror if I have to, okay? Because we gonna get these looks together. Stay tuned for my Halloween creepy videos, because it's coming, like right after this. It's coming. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. After this, gonna be the makeup tutorial after this little clip right here. And I'm gonna just show y'all how I beat the face a little bit. I know y'all always see like how I beat my face and stuff, but I added in different clips of me doing different stuff this time. So yeah, y'all should stay around for that too. And yeah, I feel like that was it. I added some liner. This is the e.l.f. black liner. I added that, and to make it, you know, pop, e.l.f. liner to make it pop. And I just did a little thing. I didn't wing it out or nothing like that. I just kept it very simple because I know I was gonna go in with these gems and these diamonds, okay? So we're just gonna line that up. And yeah, don't forget to, oh yeah, y'all, I'm still sick a little bit, so excuse me coughing and how I sound right now, because it's still like semi there, but I'm getting better. You know me, I'm always gonna push through and still make these videos for y'all because I love y'all and my sanity. You know what I'm saying? Because this, oh my god, look at me coughing nasty. I'm just nasty. Yeah, so I was trying to smoke out the eyeliner, but that didn't work too well. You know, like how people smoke out the eyeliner. If I'm not doing it well or right, let me know in the comment section, because I don't know how to smoke out the liner. That's what I was trying to do. And then I was trying to like take it all the way to the corner of the eyes, like what it's called. I don't even want to say, because I'm probably gonna say the word wrong, but I was just trying to do that corner eyeliner, like the Serenity or something like that. I think it's called. So yeah. And I don't know what's up with my eyebrows. Like, I should have blended that out way better, that one right there that y'all probably was looking at that whole time. Like, why didn't I blend that out? I don't know why. But it's not going to show under the makeup, y'all, because, you know, I'm putting foundation on the top of it anyway. But I'm just trying to put that corner, you know, that corner eyeliner that everybody do. Like, I never did that, so I wanted to try, like, that corner eyeliner. I didn't do it too right, but I'm going to try it again. Trust me. What? Yeah, you see that? Like a little bird kind of on the eyes? Yeah. So that was cute. You know, it made my eye look a little different than before. So you guys, I got these pearls and my diamonds from Amazon. I think this was $7, and this is some clear glue. Okay, so an hour later, and we have one eye done, and it's okay for my first time, but yeah, let's finish the other eye and come back. So y'all, I'm using the e.l.f. primer, one of my favorite primers, and I'm listening to music, of course. And I basically wanted to show y'all like the favorite parts of makeup for me. And that's priming, concealing, and yeah, all the steps that y'all about to see now is my favorite that I really, really love to do. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, this part right here is like so satisfying. I don't know what is it, but I love to see concealer blend out. I feel like that's my favorite part of makeup. Oh my god, look how it makes my face just looks just beautiful. I just love it. I love concealing. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to show y'all, my favorite parts of makeup in this last scene. And yeah, thank you so much for your support, you guys support. I really, really appreciate it. And y'all know I'm a real one, so it's me and y'all forever, period. Okay, so my second favorite part is highlighting. OMG, I love highlighting, y'all. It just brings a glow, an extra sun drop to your face. You know what I'm saying? It makes you just shine, and I love to shine. You know what I'm saying? So if you made it this far to this video, drop some brown hearts in the comment for this brown shirt, because y'all know this is my favorite Shein brown shirt. You know, I had to pull it back out. I love this shirt, so drop some brown hearts. And thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel.